Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm chef de cuisine with Ground Pond Estate. Today we're going to be making just one of the components of our chocolate mignardise courses for the Apranzo service. It's our Hazelnut Financier topped with chocolate ganache. So the ingredient list is pretty simple for us. We got a little bit of AP flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, toasted and ground hazelnuts, a little salt, vanilla bean, and our blood orange olive oil. That's for the cake. And the ganache is going to be equal parts of chocolate and heavy cream. So today we're going to be using the silicone baking molds. If you don't have these at home, you can use just a standard muffin tray lined with paper, but the silicone works the best. It's non-stick, doesn't require any non-stick spray or any butter or anything in the pan itself. So we're actually going to get started with the ganache portion of this recipe first. But before we do that, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We need the ganache to cool and rest as the cake is in the oven. We start with the ganache so that it can chill to room temperature and be ready for the finished cake. Whip the egg whites and sift the dry ingredients. Add the blood orange olive oil, salt, and vanilla. Add the hazelnuts. Add the dry ingredients and combine well. Bake for 15 minutes and test with a wooden skewer. Top with chocolate ganache, olive oil, and enjoy.